Looking back at the Brisbane Truck Show, we couldn't help but stop and admire the Kenworth K220. It stands tall as the flagship of the cab-over range, combining legendary performance with the latest in-driver focus technology, built in Australia for Australia. From the front, the bold grille and aerodynamic lines speak to a truck built for long-haul productivity. Under the cab, it's powered by the proven Cummins X15 Euro 6 engine, paired with an Endurant XD Pro 18-speed ATM, delivering up to 625 horsepower. Climb into the cab and you'll find a reimagined driver environment. The high-definition 15-inch digital instrument panel puts key information front and centre, and why an 8-inch AVM system handles navigation, audio and smartphone connectivity. In the sleeper, comfort takes priority. The K220 is available as a spacious 2.8 metre aerodynamic bunk option, offering more room to rest, recharge and stay organised, with storage and lighting exactly where the driver needs it most. As we wrap up, it can't help but salute the Kenworth K220 and thank the team that built